my name is Gwen, I'm the creator of this channel. Welcome! With me you can find cosmetic and cold process soap recipes and candle making process. Today I'm making two series of two-tone breakable wax melt. The first will be scented with Hypnotic fragrance oil and partly colored with blueberry mica. The second one scented with the Sexy Girl fragrance oil and partly colored with the Ball of Fire mica from Aromat'Easy. I always respect the indication of my producer to know the different temperature for my wax, when to add colors and fragrance oil, and when to pour. I recommend you do the same because different producers or different wax can have different temperature to work with. I let you with the video. You can find my recipe and links in the description box. If you want to see similar recipe, you can find what you're looking for in my previous videos. I hope you enjoyed this one. You can find me here on Instagram, Facebook and TikTok if you have any question for me. Have a great day. See you soon. Bye.